Hello, this is Joe Williams, with Oklahoma CPR and more. Please subscribe, like, and follow on the YouTube channel that you're watching this on. Today's topic is going to be how to assign BLS or any of your Ecards to your students for your class. There's two methods of doing so. One is through finalization of the course. The other one is through the Ecards system. So the first one we'll take a look at is through the finalization of your class. So off your main dashboard at atlas.hart.org, go to classes, go to teach a class, then select the date that you want it to be on. Then you find the course that you're looking for and go to view course. As you see, this course has a student that's already assigned and it says finalize. By clicking the finalization button, there will be an Ecard assigned out of your inventory to the student. So you click on it and then it says again, finalize. So the next screen will say continue. Then you'll click on the three dots and say edit. At this time, you will do your final two dates that you need to actually be putting in there in your score. And then you will hit update and it will automatically assign the card. On this one, we're going to go ahead and fail the student, which means we do not use an Ecard out of our inventory. So the second option is from your home screen. Either you can scroll down and find your parameters where you're looking at for your Ecard system, or you can go to Training Center, go to your Ecards, go under Manage Ecard, and say assign to student. At this point, I select the role as an instructor. The Ecards is assigned by the training site, or the training center, which is appropriate, who they are, and what the course is that you're needing to sign out. As you see, I have one available stock. If I would have selected the wrong one, it would not have let me done that because I do not have any cards in that system. So I go back and I simply sign out through the system I've got, showing that there's one card, and then I will select one. I will select me as the instructor and hit submit. At this time, I will click the appropriate date, the student's first name, last name, the email address that we have for them. And by all means, if you can obtain the phone number, they can claim it through phone number. So please enter in the phone number and hit continue. It says that you will want to finish this, so you can finish it. Now you can also download a Excel spreadsheet that can be converted over into a PDF of this information right here. I suggest if you have more than 2 or 3 students that is taking your course, that you need to supply the information to a employer, please download the PDF. If not, we've completed this transaction for the card. Now to verify that the card is actually done, I can go to search Ecard. Again, enter my information in accordingly. Training site. Now you simply can type in the very last name of the student and search, and it brings it up. Or if you know the exact date, you can actually go and do the date for the course of that, and you can search it as well, and it brings up the information. If I need to edit any of the information before the card is claimed. If you notice the status says sent, it means it has not been claimed, otherwise it'd say claimed. If it has not been claimed, I can edit the name, email address, and everything by simply clicking on the pencil icon, and then I can go in and change the information, and I can save changes. I can also, from this field, I can resend the e-card to the student if it has not been claimed. If it has been claimed, I can download a picture of the e-card and I can simply mail it to the student, because it will give me in the view e-card column right here, it will give me the choice of a wallet or a full size if it has been claimed. By wanting to email it, you simply click on the email, send email, and you can also edit the address. That is the two forms that you can assign e-cards out to students. Again, if you have any trouble, please give us a call, 918-771-1934. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and follow our YouTube channel. Thank you.